Hi everyone, this is Charlie from Rubeck IT, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Acumatica mobile application, where I'll take you through the process of creating an expense receipt on your mobile device. Acumatica is a cloud ERP platform and offers a seamless mobile integration that will allow you to access your company's system from wherever you have a cell connection. This type of access is particularly beneficial for employees who need to perform operations away from a traditional desk setup, such as field service technicians, traveling salesmen, or an executive assistant. Today we're going to show off this mobile functionality by creating an expense receipt for a field technician. We'll then leverage our mobile device's camera in order to attach a record of the expense receipt. We'll then open up this record in our browser and show off the process of a line manager approving this expense. Here we are inside of our Acumatica mobile application, and as you'll see, we'll have access to all of the records, screens, dashboards, and other utilities that we have access to within our browser. Let's navigate to the Time and Expenses tab and create a new expense receipt. To do this, click the ellipses next to Expense Receipts and press on Create New. Stepping into Role here, remember that we are creating an expense receipt for a field technician. So I'm going to go ahead and put our description as Site Building Materials. Below, we can click on the Expense Item option and select the item class for which this expense fits. Here we have a Build Materials item class, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Next up, we have the amount, and I have a receipt here that we're going to process with our camera. So let's put in that amount. It comes out to $10.68. Next up, you'll see we have a project code that we are able to enter, and this allows us to track our expenses and revenue to a certain project. So this might be a way for us to track all of our field expenses in a certain project. We also have the ability to make this expense receipt billable and choose our customer. And finally, we have the ability to add our expense receipt as a file attachment to our record, and we can do this by using our mobile device camera. So I'm going to take a picture of our expense receipt here. And just like that, we've created our expense receipt, and we can go ahead and hit save to upload this into our ERP system. Now let's hop back over into the Acumatica browser application and go through the process of approving this expense receipt.
Here we are on the home page of our Acumatica platform, which is currently our customer view dashboard. And we're going to navigate through our dashboards to the AP Clerk dashboard, wherein we have a widget that's going to allow us to view our open expense receipts to be claimed. Here we are on the AP Clerk dashboard, and as you can see, here's the widget right here. And if we click on this to drill down, we'll be taken to a list of expense receipts.
Here we have our receipt we just created. We can go ahead and open this up. And now we're going to go through the process of approving this by claiming it and releasing the invoice. Keeping in mind that Acumatica has approval and assignment maps that allow you to automatically assign things like expense receipt approvals based on the properties of the record. So in role here, we are acting as the line manager, and I'm going to go ahead and claim this expense receipt. You'll see through our approval maps that Maxwell Baker is assigned as the owner of this expense claim, so he is acting as the line manager here, and we'll go ahead and approve this claim. And then we have an option to print this record, or we can go ahead and release it. And just like that, we've gone through our approval process, creating an expense claim from our expense receipt, and approved and released it. Thank you for watching our demo. Today we went through one of the many applications you'll find for the Acumatica mobile extension, which again will add value to your business by allowing you to access your ERP system from anywhere with your cellular device. If you are interested in scheduling a free demonstration to see what else the Acumatica platform can do for you, please email us at contactus@rubeck.tech. I hope you'll consider Rubeck IT as your digital transformation partner. Take care.